3.
Outside out, in control, pushing for 20. Right where we want to be.
That was a pretty special night. Being able to host that match here in our home gym for the first time and to have the fan support that we had, that's a once in a lifetime experience, and just real proud of my guys.
Brandon was just a couple points better than us, and maybe that was the crowd. I mean, incredible support by the Bobcat Nation tonight. The fans were awesome. They were classy. They were excited. That's what university sports is supposed to be about. They supported their team, and their team fed off it, and they ended up getting the victory. And but I'm proud of our kids, and salute Brandon, and would love to do this again on a neutral site next week.
That is probably going to be one of the coolest moments of my life, and playing in front of that crowd was amazing, and I can't trade that for the world. That's a special moment, and the crowd was amazing. We have the best fans, and they showed it.